Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a small yarn haul. The yarns I'm going to be showing in today's video will be featured in future baby blanket tutorials, so if you like making baby blankets, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the crochet fun. So let's begin, and let me show you all the yarn that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now I went to Hobby Lobby because it's been a while since I've been there, and I wanted to use some of the yarns, especially this first yarn that I'm going to show you. I've always seen this yarn in the store, but I've never actually used it, so I'm very excited to get started working on this yarn. So the yarn I'm talking about is the Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek, and this is the low pill fiber. This is a 5-ounce skein or 232 yards. And the color I'm using is light blue. And again, this is a 5-ounce skein, 142 grams, 232 yards, and 213 meters. It's 100% low pill acrylic. And basically what that means is that wash after wash, your blanket or your project is going to look brand new with this yarn, and you're not going to have any of those little fuzz balls on top. This is a number 4 worsted weight yarn, and it is machine washable. The recommended knitting needle is a US 5 or size 8 knitting needle, and the crochet hook that they recommend is a US J10 or 6mm crochet hook. So I have 2 skeins of this light blue, and then I have 2 skeins of this color, and this is brownie. I have 2 skeins of this next color, which is linen. And finally, I have 2 skeins of this color, which is ivory. So I thought with these 4 colors together, it would make a very pretty and neutral baby blanket. So again, be on the lookout for that video coming soon. And this next yarn that I have purchased many times in the past, and this is one of my go-to favorite yarns, and this is the Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn. And this is the color Glacier, which is a very, very nice light blue color. And the skein, each skein is 7 ounces or 199 grams. It's 355 yards or 325 meters. This is also 100% acrylic. It's a number 4 medium weight yarn, and again, it is machine washable. The recommended knitting needle is a US 8 or 5mm knitting needle, and the recommended hook size is a US I9 or 5.5mm crochet hook. So this is Glacier, and I got 2 skeins of this. This next one is called Graphite, and I got 2 skeins of this. This is like a really, really dark gray color. So very pretty. I don't think I've ever used this particular color, but I thought it was very pretty. And be sure to go to Hobby Lobby every other week when they have their 30% off yarn sale. That helps to save a little bit on your yarn purchase as well. And this is just the classic white, and again, I got 2 skeins of this color. And finally, I got 2 skeins of Rosy Cheeks, and it's a very kind of like a muted pink color, or I don't know, I kind of think of it as like a vintagey pink. So I got 2 skeins of each of those 4 colors, and again, I thought this would make a very pretty baby blanket. Now I'm still deciding on the stitches for both of these, so if you have any suggestions on what stitch you would like to see, please leave a comment below and let me know, and I will consider it for one of these baby blankets. So that's it for today for the mini Hobby Lobby yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy watching yarn haul videos in general. And let me know in the comment section below if you've used any of these yarns and what you would make with this yarn. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!